Hello everyone, welcome to Christmas Kitchen. We're just going to be having a look at the Bosch Dishwasher. Today we're going to be showing how to add dishwasher salt and rihnse aid. The machine will tell you when it needs it with lights on the front, so it doesn't need salt, but we're going to add some anyway, and you can see it's illuminated to say that it needs rihnse aid. So what we do is we're going to open up and get going. So the first one is nice and easy, it's the rihnse aid, and what we do is we just, inside here where the tab goes, we just pop this little bit here, pop this open, and we're just going to pour our rihnse aid into here. So I've got the Sainsbury's standard dishwasher rihnse aid, and what we'll do is we'll just open it up, just kind of pour it in until we can't get any more in. Should just overfill, and sometimes I'll just tip it, just let a bit of air out. There we go, that will do. There we go. Okay, so we're going to move on to the dishwasher salt. What we're going to have to do is pull out the base tray here. And for purposes of ease of use, I'm just going to remove it. And inside you can see where the dishwasher salt goes here. So if I just take this off, just unscrew it, and then we're going to pour in the dishwasher salt. Again, I've just got basic Sainsbury's dishwasher salt, and that will do. So what I'm going to do is just cut the tip off. We'll just cut it open. We're going to just pour it in. Just keep going. Again, we're just going to keep pouring it in, and some excess water will basically just start coming out. Okay, so as you can see, we've filled it to the top here. We'll just pop the cap on. Turn it to tighten. And then we're just I'm going to put this back in. And then just to clean it all up, we're going to put it on a rinse cycle just to clear out the excess salt and rihnse aid that we've put everywhere. On the front you can see here that the rihnse aid light has gone out. The salt light was never on, but it's good to top it up. And I'm just going to put it onto a pre-rinse, 15 minutes. There we go. And what that will do, it will just rinse the machine and clear out the excess salt and rihnse aid that we've put in. That kind of made a mess. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.